Okay, fifth grade, this is a tutorial on how to navigate your Google Classroom. I've been getting a lot of class questions about how do we find certain assignments, where certain things are, other things like that. So if you go here, your main page, on this little tab right here, you can click on it and you click on your classes, and then you end up at this main page right here. On this page, you have your different classes: science, social studies, math, writing, reading, and our homeroom. Inside each of these boxes, you also have assignments that were due today or upcoming. So like this one's due today, this one's upcoming, these are due Friday, this was due today. So this is really helpful for assignments that are due today. These are also due today. So students, if you're struggling and you're not sure how to find assignments that are due today or upcoming, you just look at it from this main page. Now, let's say you want to know what assignments you have that are not done yet. Like say you have some missing work. So you can click on your little to-do tab right here. So in your computer, I would suggest you follow along with me. So this is our assigned work. These are assignments that are assigned. That means you have to complete them. They have to be done at some point, okay? Now, you have a little tab over here. This is 11 this week. And then you have 5 here that says no due date. So you have 11 assignments that are here. And you might notice that each of these little guys have a color, okay? So the pink one is math, which you can see from your class tab. That's what color that is. So pink is math, okay? Orange is social studies. Green is reading. Purple is writing or science. And our blue is your homeroom classes, okay? So back to this main room. You go here, you go to do. Here's your assigned assignments. Now, if you want to know what assignments you're missing, which could happen, right? If you want to know what's missing, you just click right here in this little middle guy. This is missing, okay? So these are assignments. Oh, wow. See, I have quite a few assignments that need to be done. So these are the assignments that are missing that were due already, but I haven't done them. Again, you have these color pieces right here, so that'll support you. And then if you want to know or you're looking for assignments that you've already done, you're going to click here. So you have your assigned assignments here, due today or upcoming. You have your missing assignments. These are assignments you have not done yet. And these are your assignments that you've already completed, okay? Go back to our classes, we can go here. You can also view your calendar, which is here. And this also kind of gives you an idea of assignments that are upcoming. So you can also look at that from your calendar. But we're going to go back to our classes part here, and we're gonna reflect on our to-do work, right? So to do, assigned, missing, done. Boys and girls, all of your assignments that you have with me will always be in Google Classroom. So if you're not sure or you're questioning something, I promise you it's in your Google Classroom, okay? If there comes a point where you're working on something and you're not sure what you need to be doing, just go back into your Google Classroom and find the subjects that we're working in and work on the assignments that you have that are due or that are missing. Alrighty, boys and girls, let me know if you have any questions, but good luck with your video, or good luck with your learning, and we can do this.